Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nikon cameras that are available in the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nikon Z 6.3 full-frame mirrorless stills/video camera. The Nikon Z 6.3 is the best camera we've tested from Nikon so far. While the Nikon Z 6.2 is a great mid-tier hybrid camera for its time, Nikon has made some substantial improvements with this newest iteration. That includes a new partially stacked sensor that offers a faster readout speed and allows for quicker burst shooting, as well as major improvements in video features. Whereas the Z6 II falls short of many of its contemporaries in advanced video recording, the Z6 III stands out, with features like internal 6K RAW video capture, 10-bit 4, 2:2 log recording, and 4K at up to 120 FPS, albeit with a crop. Beyond that, you get the fantastic ergonomics and build quality that Nikon is known for, a high-resolution viewfinder, and an excellent in-body image stabilization (EVIS) system. Plus, Nikon Z mount includes a range of excellent lens options, with more and more third-party options available. Ultimately, this is one of the most well-rounded hybrid cameras at its price point. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nikon ZF full-frame mirrorless stills/video camera. With its retro-inspired design, the Nikon ZF is one of the nicest-looking cameras on the market. But beyond its exterior, which is modeled after vintage Nikon SLRs, it's a very impressive digital camera with some of Nikon's latest tech. That includes a new processor and an improved autofocus system, along with Nikon's most effective IBIS yet. Though its ergonomics are more photography-oriented, with dedicated shutter speed and ISO dials, the ZF is also a surprisingly capable video camera with 4K 60 FPS video capture and internal 10-bit recording. If you like the vintage styling of the ZF but prefer something cheaper or more portable, you can opt for the Nikon ZF-C instead. This entry-level model naturally doesn't have as many of the features found on the newer ZF, as it uses an older AF system and lacks some of the ZF's more advanced video capabilities. However, it has the same internals as the Nikon Z50 recommended below, making it a stylish beginner camera for photographers and vloggers. At number 3, we have the Nikon Z5, our most compact full-frame mirrorless stills/video camera. The Nikon Z5 is a great choice if you're looking for a more affordable full-frame camera. It's one of the best entry-level full-frame cameras on the market, though its relatively low price comes with some trade-offs. Most notably, it has a max burst rate of just 5 FPS, and it isn't intended for advanced video work, with heavily cropped 4K recording and limited internal recording capability. Still, if you're primarily interested in photography, there's a lot to love here. Like other Nikon cameras, its ergonomics stand out, and despite its entry-level price point, it's weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture. The camera's high-resolution sensor captures excellent image quality, and on top of that, you still get a large high-res EVF and IBIS for more stable handheld shooting. The higher-end Z6 III is your best bet if you're looking for a camera with better video specs or faster burst shooting. But if you want full-frame image quality on a budget, the Z5 is a tempting choice that'll leave more room in your budget to invest in lenses. At number 2, we have the Nikon Z50 with wide-angle zoom lens, compact mirrorless stills/video camera. If you don't need or have the budget for a full-frame camera, an APS-C model is a great way to save some money and some space in your kit. Nikon has several excellent entry-level DSLR cameras, like the Nikon D5600 or Nikon D3500, more on that down below, but the mirrorless Nikon Z50 takes the cake for cameras under $1,000. It's one of the best Nikon mirrorless cameras at this price point. While it isn't the most portable APS-C option on the market, the handling, build quality, and features are all excellent for the money, and it's still more compact than full-frame alternatives. It's even weather-sealed, giving you more peace of mind when shooting outdoors. Inside is an excellent 20 megapixels APS-C sensor that performs admirably in low light, and the camera can shoot at a respectable max burst rate of 11 FPS, topped off with a solid autofocus system and 4K recording at up to 30 FPS. It's a capable and well-rounded entry-level camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nikon Z30, our most compact, lightweight mirrorless stills/video camera. Though it's Nikon's first dedicated vlogging camera, the Nikon Z30 is a great contribution to the slew of affordable vlogging cams on the market today. With a relatively portable design that doesn't compromise on the ergonomics that make Nikon cameras such a joy to handle, it nicely rounds out Nikon's entry-level mirrorless offerings alongside the Nikon Z50 and the Nikon ZFC. Unlike those models, which are pricier, it doesn't have a viewfinder, so it's less versatile for photography. However, it uses a similar sensor, so image and video quality are comparable. In addition, you get vlogging-friendly features like a fully articulated touchscreen, a large video recording button, and a stereo mic on the top plate that sounds surprisingly good for a built-in microphone. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't have the best battery life and can struggle with overheating during longer recording sessions in 4K, but if that isn't a deal breaker, this is a great budget vlogging cam. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.